Chineke ma ekele. Chineke ma. Chineke ma. Chineke ma. Chineke idima, 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 idima. Chineke idima, idima, idima. Ozugo, 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 ozugo. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time to bring to the microphone the Director General of the campaign, the Governor of Sokoto State, the Chairman Nigerian Governors Forum, Chairman PDP Governors Forum, former Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Aminu Waziri Tambwa.
PDP!
Power to the people!
PDP! Power to the people! Anambra kwenu! Anambra kwenu! Anambra kwenu! Ogadirgema. The national chairman of our great party, Dr. Yeche Ayu, the incoming president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, by the grace of God, Atiku Abubakar, his running mate and incoming vice president, Senator Governor Atiku Okowa, and his dear wife, our great leaders, chairman of the BOT, distinguished Senator Wabara, ladies and gentlemen, great people of Anambra State. We're here today, and I believe by the grace of God, history is about to repeat itself. In 1979, we had Atiku Alex Ekweme as Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, alongside President Sheikh Usman Ali Shagari. Am I right? And today, we're here in company of great unifier, a man that is very competent, a man that is very prepared, a man that has the capacity, a man with the experience, not only to redefine Nigeria, but from the day one, hit the ground running, since he is the most prepared and most preferred candidate in this election to govern Nigeria. Along with him is our brother, my dear colleague and governor of Delta State, Dr. Atiku Okowa. Alex Ekweme had multiple competencies as a lawyer and architect. And Dr. Okowa is a medical doctor and a seasoned administrator. He is your son, and you know it. As we speak today, by the grace of God, the most balanced ticket that is fair and reflective of the Nigerian dream is that of the PDP, Atiku Okowa. I appeal to the people of Anambra State, therefore, to come out en masse February 2015, 2023 to vote for Atiku Okowa and all of the candidates of the PDP. PDP, power to the people. God bless you.
A round of applause to Governor Tambwa. Let us clap for Governor Tambwa. Ladies and gentlemen, this place we are converting today is called Alex Ekweme Center. It is not by accident that we are here today. We are here to show respect to that profound leader, and that is why, by the grace of God, Anambra people are going to vote for PDP. If you know you are going to vote for PDP, raise up your hand. If you know you are going to vote for PDP, raise up your hand. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's okay, please, please. Ladies and gentlemen, by February, by the grace of God, can we clap for the Vice President? Thank you.
Look your front, make you see better. Where they come, Nigeria na correct place. When you correct president, Atiku Abubakar is our man.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, can we put up the music, please? Put up the music. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, by February 2023, those who want to rig our election, those small parties, we are going to prove to them that Unsabu Eyimba, Unsabu. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Governor Okowa.
PDP! PDP! Power to the people! And the Anambra Queen! Kwesenu! And the Anambra Anameke no Makoloma Party. Unu na lulu na ala Anambra. I na-enwetara ozi across the Niger and Delta states. Kunu sinagari from community to community. He made campaign for a great party, the PDP. Party anyị ewepụtago Alhaji Atiku Abubakar as a presidential candidate. I na-arịọ unu ka anyị lụsọ ọlụ ike ka anyị wee win the election na Anambra State. Anyị na-ema na Atiku Abubakar bụ ezigbo product. And ime ndị nne na-azụ ọkwa Susu Atiku nwee nnukwu experience oge ji wepụta anyị n'ajọ ọnọdụ ndị APC gọọmenti butere anyị n'obodo Nigeria. Nna anyị Atiku o kwego nkwa na ọ ga-ewepụta nnukwu ego ọ ga-eji nyere ndị youth na ndị ụmụ nwaanyị aka, ndị na-azụ ahịa na ndị chọkwa bido small businesses. And ego bụ ọkwa okwa bụ $10 billion. Nnarị ọnụ ka anyị na-ewepụta obi wee lụsọ ọrụ ike ka anyị wee win election na Anambra State. In the last 2 months, so the party anyị na-agagharị n'obodo Nigeria, mụwa dịkwa very convinced PDP ga-win the national election. Nnarị unu n'oge nke a ahụrụ oge sentiments. Anyị ga-atụnyekwala PDP akwụkwọ ma sịwa na-agụ vote. Anambra ga-adịkwa counted among the number of states PDP nwere victory. Ekele ka m ji bịa, arịrịọ ka m ji bịa, ndewonu. PDP! Part of the people! PDP! PDP Kangeso. Imelu mala PDP Kangeso. Yosa.
PDP Kangeso. Imelu mala PDP Kangeso. Ewaro pati ozo.
Kangeso. Imelu mala PDP Kangeso.
Ewaro pati ozo. PDP Kangeso. Imelu mala PDP Kangeso. Ewaro pati ozo.
Kangeso. Imelu mala PDP Kangeso. Ewaro pati ozo. Thank you, thank you.
So make you get your PVCs today.
PDP! PDP! Ladies and gentlemen, there are times in life that the truth must be spoken. The people of Anambra State, I want to assure you that with Atiku Abubakar, the issue of insecurity, the issue of marginalization, the issue of enhancing your businesses will all be over. If you believe Atiku will solve the problem in the southeast, in Anambra State, please clap your hands together for Atiku. Ladies and gentlemen, as I prepare to invite to the microphone the next President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the articulator, the magnifier, the results to all our problems. Jam your hands together as I invite Atiku Abubakar. Ladies, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. As we are waiting for the next president to come, we must hear the voice of our national chairman, the national chairman of PDP, Senator Dr. Iyocha Ayu.
PDP! PDP! Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! My people of Anambra State, lend me your ears. PDP started life by Anambra people. It is our leader, Dr. Alex Ekweme, who led 9 of us and 34 of us, including Atiku Abubakar, to form this party. Anambra is PDP, and I'm happy with what I have seen here. Even Abga is the son of the PDP. In future, we shall bring all Abga people back to their home, which is PDP. I want to assure you that the Igbos, particularly Anambra people, have a big stake in Nigeria. There is no village in this country that you will go that you will not find an Igbo man who is a businessman. So the Igbos, in terms of business, are the more national people in Nigeria. You need every part of this country. And I'd like
indomitable spirit of the Igbo nation, particularly Anambra people. I believe that if we join hands together with us, under a very competent leader, an experienced leader, a man who is already your in-law, a man who is a businessman, a man who will ultimately take care of all security issues in this country, stabilize this country, I believe Nigeria will be a better place. There is nothing I need to talk to you that you do not know about this great Nigerian. Listen to him, give him your vote. Sometimes an in-law is better than your son. I believe that Atiku is going to change the climate of this country. And that's why we are here, and we are very happy with what we have seen today. I have not much to say other than to say, hold your PVC, give us your vote, and come together and let's transform this great country. Thank you, and God bless you all.
PDP! Ladies and gentlemen, can we jam our hands together as we invite the next president and a friend of the Southeast, Atiku Abubakar? Thank you. It's okay. If you know you are going to vote Atiku Abubakar, wave your hand. Let's now listen to the voice of Abubakar.
Nigeria is in an PDP. PDP.
Power.
PDP.
Power.
Answer me now. I don't hear your voice. PDP. Power to the people.
PDP.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Now, let me say make a few remarks. On our arrival today, we visited your governor, Professor Soludo, and he said to me, I know you are going to work, but make sure all the federal roads that pass through Anambra State are reconstructed. And I promised him I'm just going to do that. He said, make sure that you help us control our erosion, because Anambra State is the erosion headquarters of the world. Erosion is destroying our farmlands, is destroying our houses, is destroying everything we have. That is a very, very gigantic project. And I promise him I'm going to do that. And you know, I have worked with Soludo before. He is a first-class patriotic Nigerian. You have an excellent governor. He also appealed to me to make sure that Onitsha Port, this time around, unlike before, they will come and promise and go away. This time around, we are going to dredge River Niger and make sure Onitsha Port is functional. We are also going to make sure that we support Anambra State to industrialize the state so that the state can create as many jobs for our young men and women. And besides, you know, I promised to set aside $10 billion to promote small and medium-scale enterprises for our young men and women so that they can be independent. The people of Anambra State, I am sure you know that I am going to be the stepping stone to an Igbo president in this country. I have shown it by my actions because this is the third time I am running with an Igbo man. If you really want to produce a president, then vote Atiku Okowa ticket.
Yes, sir.
So the people of Anambra State, I want to thank you very much for this wonderful reception. I never thought I will see such a crowd in Anambra State.
Correct.
And believe me, we are not going to forget you, and we are going to reward you handsomely. So, please, I want you to do me one favor. If you know that you are going to vote honestly for PDP, can you raise your hand?
Yes, sir. Everybody. Everybody.
God bless you all. Thank you very much. PDP! PDP!
Thank you very much. Take the national anthem. National anthem. Anthem. The national anthem, please.